Now, proof of the Bernoulli theorem. This is the Bernoulli theorem, and we will prove here P plus rho gh plus half PV square equal to constant. This we will prove. In this tube, non-viscous and incompressible liquid is flowing. Here the cross-sectional area, that is A1. Here the cross-sectional area, that is A2. Here pressure is P1. Velocity is V1. Here pressure is P2. Velocity is V2. At this point A, height is H1, and here height is H2. Now, the force acting on the liquid at the section A, that is F1, force equal to pressure into area, P1 into A1, P1 into A1, and here that will be P2 into A2. Area is A2, pressure into area. Force equal to pressure into area. This work done equal to force into displacement. Velocity is V1. Then in unit time, the displacement of liquid is V1. So W1 equal to F1 into V1. Force is that P1 into A1, P1 into A1 into V1. Now for the second cross-sectional area where the liquid is going out, then W2 equal to P2 into A2 into V2. W1 is this, W2 is this. Now the net amount of work done on the liquid, W equal to W1 minus W2. Then W equal to P1 into A1 into V1 minus P2 into A2 into V2. By the principle of continuity, or this is also known as equation of continuity, A1 V1 equal to A2 V2. This is the principle of continuity of flowing liquid. Now, A1 into V1 and A2 into V2 is the volume of the liquid, area into velocity. A1 into V1 equal to A2 into V2. This is the volume. Now here the volume into density. If these two are equal, then multiplied by rho, rho is the density, then A1 into V1 into rho 1 equal to A2 into V2 into rho is same, density of the liquid, then that will equal to mass. Mass equal to volume into density. Now by this divide by rho, then A1 into V1 equal to A2 into V2 equal to m upon rho. Now putting this value in this equation 1. Now W equal to P1 into m upon rho minus P2 into m upon rho. M upon rho is common, then W equal to P1 minus P2 into m upon rho. The potential energy is mgh1 and mgh2. The increase in the potential energy of the liquid, that is equal to mgh2 minus mgh1. This is the increase in the potential energy. Now increase in the potential energy is mgh2 minus h1. Now kinetic energy of the liquid flowing per second at A is half mv1 square and at B half mv2 square. Now increase in the kinetic energy of the liquid, that is half mv2 square minus half mv1 square. That is equal to half mv2 square minus v1 square. From the principle of conservation of energy, Work done on the liquid is equal to increase in potential energy of the liquid plus increase in the kinetic energy of the liquid. Then this is the work done. This is the work done. This is increase in potential energy and this is increase in kinetic energy. Here, see, m upon rho will go that side and multiplied. M will divide, then m and m cancel out. Then this condition we will get. Now open the bracket here, this. And after opening the bracket, separate the terms 1, 1, 1 one side and 2, 2, 2 another side. Then P1 into rho G H1 plus half rho V1 square is equal to P2 plus rho G H2 into half plus half rho V2 square. Finally, we can say that P1 P2, then P rho G H1 rho G H2, that is rho G H plus half P V1 square plus half rho V1 square plus half rho V2 square. It is half rho V square. Then sum of these three terms, we can say that is constant. This is pressure energy, this is potential energy, and this is kinetic energy. The sum of three energies is constant. This is the Bernoulli theorem.